Okay, now we can see the circuit to measure temperature. This is the sensor NTC, and this is another thermocouple for checking our circuit. Here is the board for make voltage reference for Arduino here, and all data connected to computer. This is our own code, and here is the result. Let's check. This is hot water. Now it measures about 53. We can check it. How temperature now? Please wait for a while to measure correct temperature. Okay, now is 54, and we can see how it's now. 54. Oh, great! And here's the ice. We can measure the ice here. Please wait for a while. The temperature is going down, going down. Maybe now it's stable. No, it's still going down. Okay, now the temperature is stable at about 6 degrees. Now we can check it, how the thermocouple measure. Now it's 6 degrees, that's great. So this circuit measures very correctly temperature.